how to buy LETSTOP token. So this token came under the symbol of stop. So this token is available on Mexc, but before going on by this token, this is not financial advice. I'm not professional or economic expert. So before investing in any project that you found on my channel, please do your own research. Now, before going on by this token, make sure to check the Mexc account and keep following the updates about this token. Now, first of all, open your Mexc account. But now, if you don't have an account on Mexc, go down the description and you will be able to find the referral link. Go and create an account on Mexc to benefit from your rewards. So now, after that, click here on the search bar and type stop like that. And now from the top bar, click on spots, and now make sure to select the pair that have USDT. After that, wait a few seconds to load this page. Now, as you can see here, you need to wait from now just 30 minutes. And after that, what you need to do, just here you can type how much you want to buy. So here you will be able to see how much you receive. Now after that, you will be able to see the total that you should pay using the USDT on your account. After that, click on buy stop. In about a few seconds to a few minutes, you will be able to find that token on your account. So this is how to buy stop token. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. See you next video.